Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you doing today?
We are fine.
Okay, all of you are doing fine. All right. So, let me tell you today what's going to happen. Today, we are going to do a storytelling session. All right. So, you will come up. You don't have to come up. You can sit, relax, and share a story. All right. Sanvika, are you ready? Great. So, you can pass the mic to Sanvika, please.
Hello everybody, good evening.
What's your name?
Samvika Datta.
Are you a student of EFA?
I'm a student of EFA.
Okay, now please start your story. Speak louder. Loud and clear. Start.
Once upon a time, there was a village. And there was a little baby there. And the name was Prahalad. So, there was a father named Hiranyakashyap. Hiranyakashyap wanted to kill his own boy Prahalad. So he sent mad elephants to kill him. So the mad elephants just put a garland on him and then they saluted him with his trunk. So Hiranyakashyap was throwing him down from the mountain and then nothing happened, so only Prahalad fell on the flower bed, and so Hiranyakashyap was jumping in fear.
He got scared. Okay. Then?
And so he's thrown down from the mountain top, but still nothing happened.
So where did Prahalad fall down then?
On a flower bed.
Wow.
And so finally, Prahalad was in the fire. First Holika was called and then he went in the fire.
Okay.
And so still nothing happened to Prahalad.
But before that there were snakes also? What about the poisonous snakes?
Also the poisonous snakes didn't kill him. But the poisonous snakes just licked his feet.
Oh.
And so once Hiranyakashyap said to Prahalad, "Where's your Vishnu?" And Prahalad said, "He's everywhere, Father." And so when Hiranyakashyap touched the pillar like this, like that, Narsimha came out in the form of a lion and told Hiranyakashyap, and the story was ended.
Okay. Very nice. Alright, okay, good job Sanvika. And can you tell me the mantra that Prahalad used to chant all the time?
Om Namah Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namah.
Yeah, very good job Sanvika. Next, who will tell me the story? Rishank and Shreyansh. Okay, so Rishank, do it first as his hand went a little bit first.
Good evening everybody. My name is Rishank Khagenodia. I am in class 3 and today I would like to tell a story about an adventurous dog.
An adventurous dog, that sounds very exciting. Are you a student of EFA?
Yes, I am not a student of EFA.
Okay, how many of you are scared of dogs? You are? Abdija? What about Shreyanshi? Yes? Raise your hands, the ones who are scared of dogs. Sanvika, you're not? Yeah. What about you? No. You are not scared. Okay, let's see. Let's see what this adventurous dog is going to do in the story. Yes.
There was a boy named Michael. He had a pet dog. One day, they spot a spooky house.
Oh, do you know what a spooky house is? What is a spooky house? Who will tell me? Say.
A monster house.
Yeah, monster, zombie, witch, all that, okay? Okay, pass it back to Rishank. So there was a spooky house, my god, okay?
Michael was a bit scared, but the dog was brave. He took Michael inside the spooky house. With not getting scared, the dog took every small step and turned on the lights of the spooky house.
Okay.
And because of that, Michael was not scared anymore. Michael thanked the dog for making him brave. And so after that, they left the spooky house and went back home. The end.
Very nice. Okay.